Okay guys, good morning guys, good morning. I'm back again. Today I'm gonna show you a date strategy. It's called a date strategy that gives you 3 to 4 numbers, all draws. I mean lunch and tea time. So this is how you do. I'm going to do a recap first, and then after recap we're going to do the one for today. So we're going to do it this way, guys. You see this thing, the date, this was yesterday's draw. So this is the recap first. So what you do, you say 10 plus 20 plus 26, and then you multiply this by 55. Because why 55? Because it's 6 balls out of 49, which if you add them they give you a 55. So let me show you what I got. So we did it this way. This is the date, because this is 2026, remember. Then this is the formula, which gave us what? 1460. So let's take this code 1460 and check if we did not get those kind of numbers there. Okay, so let us go back and check. So our code was 460, which the first number that dropped was 41. Second number is 46, which is a 49. It's dropped it there. I'm sorry. Then there's a 16. If you check properly, there's a 16 there. So this strategy, it gave us 3 numbers. On T, because the code was 460. On T time, it gave us also this 49 in a split way. Do you see 46, which is 49 actually. And then if you check again, yeah, on T time, it gave us only 2 numbers. But on lunch, it gave us 3 numbers, which means it's actually accurate on both draws. That is why there's a reason why these guys do, what do you call they do repeat numbers, is because of the code. So for example, for today, the date is 11, so we're going to just cancel this and put an 11. So our code for today is 1461. Okay, so let's go and check which numbers are we going to get from that, because we do have a 14 there, we do have a 46, we do have an 11, then we do have actually this is a 16, but can also be a 19. I can say it's just another strategy that I just realized that it works. It does work. It makes wonders actually. Okay, so our first code is what? 400 and it's 1661. Let me just go and write it down on our, let's go here and say our first code is our first code. So let's just write everything as lunchtime 49s, and then we say our code is 1461. That's the first code. Then let's go and create the second code. Sorry, second code. Normally the way I do my codes, I just add and then I put the formula 47 plus 49 plus 49 plus 55. This is the formula. So let me go and check. We're doing it together with the calculator. So we're going to say 47 plus 49 plus 55, we get 151. Then our second code is 151. Then we go again and do with T, 30 plus 42. So we say 30 plus 42 plus 55. That's 127. Then we're not done. We go to the bonus ball. This strategy, you guys don't understand, is powerful. 12. So we say 12 divided by 27.5. Let's go and check what we're gonna get there. So we say 12 divided by 27.5. That's 4336, which means our banker is 43. Say banker 43 and what, and 36. But then now we need an accuracy from there, because the first the second code is giving us a 16, so which means this code worked on T, because it gave us a 16. If you separate, it gives us a 14. So which means our banker second banker is 14. It's 14. And then I was just writing the bankers. So let's put our 7 numbers there for us to be able to pay. It's 14, it's 43, it's 36. Sorry, 36. Then it's a 15. Then it's 22. Which number actually? And then it's 11 again. So I would say my bonus ball must be 8 or 22. Okay, I think this is more accurate now. So let's just do the breaking of the codes. But already I've just done a rough sketch for you guys. So now I'm going to be doing the breaking of the codes. I've already broken this one. This is how we break the code with 4 numbers. So this one was 151. If we add 1 plus 1 is 16. If we subtract, it's a 14. Okay, either way, these numbers, you can always spin them. Spinning is a problem in UK Fortnite, trust me. But normally what they do, if it's Gina, she will take a 5 and an 11 and put it there as a number like that. Then maybe she can add a 19. Do you understand? Yes. Then the second code is 127. Code 127. So what do you do when you see a code like this? It's either, if it's Gina, she'll say 217. Or she'll just pick this 27. Then it's going to say 1 plus 27 is 28. 1 minus that is 26. Then if you add 12 plus 7 is a 19. So which means 19 is a good number. If you subtract, it gives you a 5. So do you see how now she can take the 5 there and take the 19 and maybe take the 28 from those codes? Do you understand? So maybe let's go and do the home figures and see what the home figures are saying to us. Before we even jump over there, guys, come and purchase your books. Come and purchase the books and join the WhatsApp group. Purchase books and join WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group. You'll see there's a link. If you're not interested in books, don't press the link. You press the link if you need the book or you need to join. Because there's some people, they just like, there's annoying people they're out there. Because they don't know what to do. They're all of all those groups. I'm not saying you guys, you must not be in groups. You must be in the groups. But you know what? You can't just join a group for fun and wasting your data. You join a group because of some reasons. You want to learn. You want to know how the numbers are, So it's important for you guys to as well monitor your stuff. You can't be in 10 groups. How are you going to focus in 10 groups? Just imagine. I mean, I've got 2 groups. I do visit other groups as well. It's not like I don't visit. I do that as well. Okay, so now we're going to focus on the home figures. Home figure of 4 is a 22. Home figure of 9 is a 45. Home figure of 17 is an 8. These numbers are accurate, trust me. Home figure of 26 is an 8 again. Home figure of 30 is just a 3. Home figure of 42 is a 6. Home figure of 34 is a 7. So I'll pick 22, 45, 8 and make it as 3 numbers. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Enjoy your day and please make sure you win.